This is not a figure I know anything about, nor do I know anything about the property that it comes from, nor am I going to pretend to. This is a Pandora Bolt variant from Avatar Press. This is from 1997, and it looks like Pandora is the character. There's Razor, Widow, Raven, Snowman, Widow cards, and your X cards. I've actually opened one of those for Vintage Toy Freedom. I guess Bolt Entertainment is I don't know if it's the company that makes the toy, and then Avatar Press is the company that publishes the comics. I'm familiar with Razor. That one was kind of popular. Let's see. I guess she's a perfect woman, created by Zeus thousands of years ago. So, yeah, I don't know. I don't really know anything about this. This is one of those weird ones that you would just see at a comic book store. And I guess if you were a fan of the comic, you would buy this. I don't know. I got it for $3. You know how much I like to find obscure characters for you. I'm not sure too many people were rushing to the comic store on a Wednesday back in 1997 in order to pick up the Pandora action figure, but maybe some people were. Maybe some people still have this hanging on the shelf. Maybe this is their favorite character. Somebody's gotta like it, right? I guarantee you there are a handful of comic book stores across the country that still have one of these on a shelf. They're probably still asking $11.99 for it. Unless they mark it down to $3 and happen to have some weirdo like me who has a YouTube dedicated to opening vintage toys come along, that toy will remain on their shelf. So let's see, she's got this big spear. Little knife deal here. Let's get her out Pandora. So she's wearing, I guess normally she wears blue, and here she's wearing gold, and I guess that's how she's a variant. Ooh, her leg is twisted weird. That looks like that hurts. Your knee should not really bend that way. But she's got these green gems on her wrists and on her staff and on her knife and doohickey. Let's give her one of those. I guess that's her source of power and how she fights those demons. Doesn't fit into her hand very well. Alright, she's going to hold her sword, or spear, sorry. She's going to hold her spear. She's going to throw that spear at those guys. And she's got some dangly earrings on. I don't know, I don't really know a lot to say about this other than it's kind of a weird figure, and I don't know who would be the target market for that, but I guess it's kind of cool for whoever created this comic series to have a figure made of his creation. So I don't know, I bet you can find some Pandora comics in a dollar bin at a comic book store near you. So thanks for watching. This was kind of a quick one, not the most fascinating one, but I do like to show different figures and have a variety of figures for all of my adoring YouTube watchers.